Yo, what is up everyone? Today we're going to open a 1993-94 Fleer basketball wax pack. We get 15 cards. Just pulling one randomly out of one of the wax packs boxes we sell at the store. Let's see. These are pretty tight. Trying not to mess up the card. 93-94. I don't know. Like Shaq and Jordan. Horace Grant. Kevin Johnson. I don't remember him at all. Adam Keefe. Gerald Wilkins. Charles Oakley. John Stockton. Simon Threat. Lloyd Daniels. Buck Williams. There we go. There's a Jordan. I think that's pretty much all you can pull out of this. Here's a Kemp. I don't know what year the Kemp that is. Blue Edwards, John Sally, and Tom Tolbert. All right, well, I can sleeve up the Jordan. So there we go. 93, 94 Fleer basketball wax packs. Until next time. Bye-bye.